The development of computers in Indonesia began in the 109,080 when educational institutions and companies began to adopt this technology. Since then, the use of computers has become more widespread in various sectors. The internet and portable devices make computers more accessible and usable by the general public. A computer is an electronic device designed to process data quickly and accurately. Simply put, a computer is a machine that can receive input, process in with certain logic, and provide result output according to the instruction given. With its complex function, computers are able to process information, store data, and present results that can help users in various activities from reading, calculating, to designing in various fields. The multitasking capability of computer make them an indispensable tool. The type of computers: PC, personal computer, used for individual needs such as doing assignment or playing games. Macintosh or Mac, a computer made by Apple that has the Mac OS operating system. Desktop computer, a computer designed for use in our location such as an office or home. Laptop, a portable computer that is easy to carry anywhere. Tablet, a device with a touch screen that functions similarly to a computer but is more compact. Server computer, used to serve other computer in a network. Then there is also how the computer works. The first is input, the state of entering digital computer data before it is processed. The next step in processing, the data that has been entered will be processed toward the CPU, Central Processing Unit, processing device on the computer. The last step in output, producing certain action in this step. The result of data processing will be transmitted into a certain action. Computer component. It's one mainboard, it's two processor, and three hard disks, and four RAM, random access memory, and five optional drive, and six floppy disks, seven VGA card, and eight sound card. Computers have many important functions in the everyday life, including its one data. Computer can process large amount of data or product acquired and fast information. Modeling and simulation. Computers are used to simulation scenario in various fields such as in science and engineering that are difficult or dangerous to do in the real world. And three, data storage. Computer can store large amount of data safely and easily accessed. For communication with the internet, computer allow you to connect with anyone around the world. Graphic and multimedia processing. Computer allow the creation of multimedia content such as graphic design, video, and animation. Consultation. Computers are very useful tools that help humans in various aspects of life. By understanding the basics of computer, we can not only make better use of this tool but also follow technological development visually. Computer hardware is a physical component on computer that is used by the system to run programmed command. In short, a command on a computer that can be touched, seen, and felt. The difference between hardware and software is one in terms of appearance. The most prominent difference between hardware and software is that you can see touch the hardware device but not the software because it does not have a physical form. 2. In terms of function, in addition, the difference between hardware and software can also be seen from its function, where software functions to connect hardware with user, while hardware functions to process data obtained from user. Despite their difference, hardware and software work continuously so that they can produce the desired output. Hardware characteristic is one has a physical form. One of the difference between software and hardware it is from. Software can only be seen in the appearance but does not have a physical form, while hardware has physical form that can be seen and felt. Generally, some examples of hardware are keyboard, printer, scanner, and other hard devices. 3. Located on the outside of the computer. Most hardware in the outside of the computer, however, not all of them. Some of them are inside the computer, for example, RAM and CPU. Hardware function 1. Receiving input. The first function of hardware is input. Hardware also receives input sent by the user. 2. Providing output. The second function of hardware is to provide output to the user after the input processing process is carried out. 3. Storing information and data. Hardware also has a function to store output data. Usually the output will be stored on the computer store device. The type of hardware. 1. Hardware output. Hardware output is a device that functions to produce new information or useful data of the it can be understood by the user. The new information is output throughout this device. Here are some examples of output hardware: monitor, printer. 2. Input hardware. Input hardware is an input device that plays a role in entering data in the form of image, text, video, and audio into a computer. Here are some examples of input hardware: mouse, keyboard, scanner. 3. Hardware process. Hardware process of hardware process in a device that is useful for processing data and processing in it on a computer. This device can be called the brain of the computer because it carries out important process on the inputted data. Some examples of hardware process are CPU, VGA, RAM. Well, that's the matter about computer and hardware. Thank you for watching.